Hey everybody, my name is Jerome Jennings. I'm a drummer, I'm an educator. A lot of times when I record, I don't use everything that you see here. It's not necessary for every track. I learned about the mic kit from One of One Productions. Once I set it up at my studio at home, my drum studio, I fell in love with the mics. Well, I've used them in so many different situations, from open jazz, more jazzy sound, maybe like bluegrass and hip hop and different kind of more backbeat, poppy kinds of music, and they work very well. I actually use the microphones also for Zoom meetings. I do presentations on music, jazz music, African American music, and with the kit that I got from One of One Productions, I got Focusrite interface, microphone cable, the mic. It's ready to go, and it sounds great on your voice, and you can also tweak your voice using the Focusrite interface. So yeah, I would also recommend this to my students, regardless what instrument you play. It's good to have a quality microphone that you can hear yourself playing. Throw it through your Focusrite, practice, play it back, and you'll be able to hear exactly what your audience and bandmates will hear. So I recommend that as well. And for what you're getting in sound and quality, the price, it's a really great price. You can actually make professional recordings with these microphones. And you get a case, a waterproof, indestructible case. I tried to destruct it, but it didn't work. Go get it.